to another video on this channel. My name is Michael Nance. In case you don't know, I'm an online entrepreneur and a digital marketer, and I'm here to discuss to you guys today about affiliate marketing tutorials for a beginner. So in case you're a beginner and you don't know nothing about affiliate marketing, I'm here to break it down for you in a short, good video to discuss how you could get started in a little bit of a tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started in this video. So on the first thing I want to mention is that for affiliate marketing, starting in the beginning might actually take you a few months before you get your first sale, and that's only because it's not like an overnight fast money method. It do take a good amount of time unless you have a big audience already. You won't really see any sales. If you have an audience to promote links to, then yeah, it can become successful, but you just need to build your audience first. And if you're starting out right now and you have nothing, absolutely nothing, you have to build your audience out. So that's my first tip to you guys. Then my second tip is that that affiliate marketing is really, really good for the long term. So it's very good for passive income because you're not doing anything after that. You have all your links set up. You have your content already out. All you're doing is when you have people visit the links, and you get commission for it. And that, let's say you have a link now. Say a year from now, somebody decides to go on click your link. Then they make a purchase and you get a commission a year from now too. This could be possible. So that's also just two. That was just two little tips I have for you guys. So first step into affiliate marketing, you guys will need to get your niche, and it's very important too because you gotta decide what do you want to what do you want to make your audience. So there's many different niches out there to do. There's fitness, entrepreneurship, make money online, gardening. So many different niches out there. You just choose one and find what's passionate for you, and that's all. Just first, you gotta pick your niche. Second, I recommend that you should build a YouTube channel or an email list. And this is where your audience will come into play, when I was talking about it before. Having an audience is very key for affiliate marketing because you need to promote the links, your affiliate links, to someone so you can get a commission. And the best way would be a YouTube channel. Like for what I'm doing right now, I'm discussing you guys about how to do affiliate marketing, and then also an email list. In case you don't know what email list is, it's basically a list of emails, and you just send content out on those emails. And you can also promote stuff in your emails too. Yeah, so that's basically it for this. And what I recommend is make sure that you're providing so much value, because you want to keep your audience there with you. You don't want them to just get bored and just go to someone else and use that link to go make a purchase on something. You want to make sure you're providing great value, and not even great value, amazing value to your audience. So next, what I want to discuss is define your traffic source. It can either be paid or organic. So you got to figure out, you can either do social media. That's a good organic way. You could by promoting affiliate links. Let's say you have Amazon link to go, for example, let's say these beats. I have beats in here. You want to you do a review on them. You want people to go buy these beats, and you send them to Amazon and you give them a link. So a great way would be you have to have a traffic source, and that's through social media. That's a good way to do that. So next, I also want to discuss about paid. So with Facebook and Instagram, well, mostly every social media, you can do paid traffic. So that's by having creating an ad, and driving traffic to your affiliate. But the key to that is that Facebook don't like it when you have your affiliate links directly into the ad. So you have to have a sales funnel, and I could discuss another video on how to do a sales funnel for affiliate marketing. But you have to have a lead magnet to also, which also goes back to this. It could build your email list as well, and then have a back end offer, which is your affiliate link. So you can either do paid or organic, but you just need to define your traffic source. You need to figure out where you're going to get your traffic from to build your audience, then to build your income on affiliate links. Next, you also need to figure out your offer. That's kind of the main thing too. You need to find out what exactly you want to promote. Make sure it's something that is a good offer. Nothing that's like that nobody would want to use, because then you'd be wasting time and effort to trying to promote a link that's not even like valuable or something that somebody would want to buy. So make sure you find out the offers that you really are passionate about too, and that it's easy to promote and you can share with other people and get them to use it and use your affiliate link. So with all that, if you want more in depth on, you can click the link down below and learn. I'll have some links down there, and they are affiliate links, by the way, but it will actually help you out in the long run. I'll have some links about more on affiliate marketing and softwares that you can use to help you with your affiliate marketing. So yes, without further ado, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below what else you want to see, and I'll catch you guys soon. See you guys tomorrow with another video.